Yes, in this video we are going to discuss about the organ system in animals. That is a continuation of a male reproductive system. And next part we are having a vas deferens. Okay, and the page number of 242. That is a continuation of a previous video. Here vas deferens, where they are present in the vas deferens. Here the next part of epididymus, they are having a vas deferens. This is the part of what? Vas deferens. And here just they are look like a straight tube. Okay, a straight tube marika. Just they are carry the sperm. They are carry of what? A sperm. Here testes are producing sperm. They are travel to be here. They are carry the sperm to the seminal vessels. Vesicles ஒரு part இருக்குப்பா. Here just like this. And here they are having a seminal vesicles. This is what? The seminal vesicles. Just right here. Seminal vesicles. What is the major function of seminal vesicles? A temporarily stored of sperm. Sperm temporary, just they are stored in that. Okay, and here a seminal vesicles, they are rich in fructose. They are rich in a what? Fructose, and a source of energy. That is a calcium and enzyme. Source of calcium and enzymes. Here first thing another, testes are produced to produce the sperm. Here seminal vesicles are long, a coiled tube like structure. So they are carry the sperm carry out பண்ணும் and send. எங்க send பண்ணது? Seminal vesicles க்கு send பண்ணது. In that seminal vesicles are rich of fructose, calcium and energy. Okay va? Here a fructose is there, no? Is there a major source of sperm, energy source. இதுதான் என்னது? spermக்கு மேஜரான எனர்ஜி சோர்ஸே. ஓகேவா? ஸ்பெர்முக்கு மேஜரான எனர்ஜி சோர்ஸ் என்னதுமா? ஃப்ரக்டோஸ். And here a seminal vesicles. Here this is about a seminal vesicles along with the vas deferens. And here a seminal vesicle along with the vas deferens. And next to that, a seminal vesicles, they are having a ejaculatory duct. They are having a what? Ejaculatory duct. And here this is the ejaculatory duct. Just have to write it here. Ejaculatory duct. And here this is the ejaculatory duct. They are carry the sperm. The ejaculatory duct தான் என்ன பண்றாங்க? sperm carry out பண்றாங்க to expel the sperm in the seminal vesicles into urethra. The seminal vesicles ல இருந்து sperm வெளியே வராங்க and they are carried to the ejaculatory duct, and then they are traveled. Where they are traveled? They are traveled in the urethra and ejected through the urethra. Urethra valiya just they are ejected from the male reproductive system. So this is the what? Urethra. This is the what ma? Urethra. Okay, so that's it for a vas deferens. I hope you have to understand to that what is a vas deferens. Just have to remember once again. First thing, here a testes are produced the sperm. They are sperm are traveled in the long coiled tube like structures. That is the vas deferens. Vas deferens என்றது long coiled tube. ஓகேமா, அதோட மேஜர் ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்னது? ஸ்பெர்மை கேரி அவுட் பண்ணுறது. அப்படி கேரி அவுட் பண்ணுறச்ச ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் ஸ்டோர்டு டெம்பரவரிலி இன் தி ஒன் பிளேஸ். தட் இஸ் தி செமினல் வெசிகல்ஸ். செமினல் வெசிகல்ஸ்ன்ற ஸ்பேஸில் டெம்பரவரியாக ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிறாங்க. அந்த செமினல் வெசிகல்ஸ் தே ஆர் ரிச் இன் ஃப்ரக்டோஸ், கால்சியம் அண்ட் எனர்ஜி. ஓகேவா? தே ஆர் கிவிங் எ மேஜர் எனர்ஜி பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா ஸ்பெர்முக்கு வந்து ஃப்ரக்டோஸ் தான். ஓகேவா? அண்ட் ஹியர் டெம்பரவரியாக ஸ்டோர் பண்ண ஸ்பெர்ம் and ejected. எது வழியா eject ஆகுதுன்னா this ejaculatory duct. They are having some tube na. This ejaculatory duct வழியா eliminate பண்றாங்க and they are eliminated outside of a human reproductive system through the urethra. Urethra via just they are expel the sperm. Okay, so that's it for a vas deferens. I hope you have to understand to that. There will be more next one, urethra. Here the next part of a male reproductive system is urethra. Okay, here urethra they are connect inside to the penis. Where they are connected pa? Here inside to the penis. We already drawn a diagram of penis, right? Just see this. Here this is the what we are said. This is the what? Urethra. This is the what ma? Urethra. This is the urethra inside of a penis. Where they are present? Inside of a penis. What is a major function? They just convey the sperm. Sperm convey பண்றாங்க எங்க இருந்து? They are traveled through the vas deferens போறாங்க and then they are carried to the seminal vesicles க்கு carry out பண்றாங்க. Okay, and then they are traveled to the ejaculatory tract and then finally they are eliminated through the that is the pass out. Okay, எங்க ஆறாங்க? urethra. Okay, urethra openingல just they are ejected. Okay, in here eject ஆகிறதுக்குள்ள they are having some hormones also. Okay, இது eject ஆகிறதுக்கு they are involvement of some glands to eject the sperm also. We already said na a 2 gland and here with the help of a seminal vesicles also. Seminal vesicles. இதான சொன்னோம் seminal vesicles னு. Okay va. Okay, and here we already said that there are involvement of 2 gland, Cowper's gland and prostate gland. Cowper's gland என்ன பண்ணும்? Before ejection of a sperm, just they are ejected sebum secrete பண்ணி அந்த urethral lining இருக்கு இல்லையா, urethral way இருக்கு இல்லையா, just they are remove the uric acid இருக்கிற வேவை remove பண்ணி neutralize பண்ணி விட்டுடும். And then here a prostate gland they are secrete the sebum. Along to the sebum a sperm is ejected. Okay va, அந்த sebumல என்ன இருக்கும்னா major they are providing nutrition. இந்த sebumல என்னமா இருக்கும்? nutritional support கொடுக்கும். எதுக்கு? ஸ்பெர்முக்கு. ஓகேவா, ஸ்பெர்முக்கு நியூட்ரிஷனல் சப்போர்ட் எதுக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா just they want to transport ஆகி and reaching a fertilization முடியும் ரீச் ஆகணும் இல்லையா, at the process they are given a nutrition to the sperm. Okay, so that's it for an urethra. I hope you have to understand that what is a urethra. Just have to recall once again. Urethra they are present inside of an penis க்கு inside இருக்கு and here they are carry out the sperm. eject பண்றாங்க sperm. எங்க இருந்து gain பண்ணாங்க? vas deferensல இருந்து seminal vesicles ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சாங்க and with the help of 2 gland, that is the Cowper's gland and that is the prostate gland. ஓகேவா, Cowper's gland prostate gland sebum secrete பண்ணுவாங்க, mucus மாதிரி secrete பண்ணுவாங்க. first வந்து Cowper's gland தான் secrete பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த urethraல 2 process இருக்கு இல்லையா, elimination of urine இருக்கு, elimination of sperm இருக்கு. அப்போ sperm eliminate பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி they are eliminate urine எப்படி பாஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அப்போ அந்த வேவை கிளியர் பண்றது தான் Cowper's gland ஒர்க்கு. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் prostate gland they secrete the sebum along to the sperm. ஓகே, அந்த sebum உடைய மேஜர் ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன? நியூட்ரிஷன் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு. sperm வந்து just they are transport ஆகிறதுக்கு they are given a nutrition. So that's it for an urethra. They are complete our male reproductive system. I hope you have to understand that what is a male reproductive system. Okay student, just copy this all the things in your observation note and follow your homework. I given an important question answer to you. You just write your test and submit through your school app. Okay, thank you. We'll say remaining topic, that's the last topic, a female reproductive system in the next class. Okay, thank you.